Hello, friends! Hope you're doing well. Are you willing to lead a healthy life, but don't know where to start with? Today's show is going to be your guide to the world of a healthy lifestyle. Let's get it started! Valerie is a food lover. She eats that sandwich down to the last bite. And you know what? That's not enough! Luckily, there are some more cakes in the fridge. Val always has her emergency supplies ready to save her day. You'll explode, but you'll still be hungry, Valerie. Hey, not so fast. Not fair. Anyways, I would never get a perfect build as you have. Let me tell you about it. It took me plenty of wrappings for my waist, my arms, and then working out. Not to mention the healthy diet, but it's worth trying. You want to do it? Oh, yes, but working out is not for me. Wait, I guess I can help you with that. Valerie is glad to start her slimming program. And it looks like a real saloon procedure. Now just lay down and relax. Amy would take care of you, honey. Okay, the work is done. And it already works. As far as Val can't get out of these wraps and get to the fridge, is this your health program? You asked me to help you. Thanks a lot. Oh, wait. The healthy diet is here for you too. Ah, this skin looks healthy and smooth. What about the legs? Careful. You better do something about it or somebody might get hurt. If only this could be easy. No, there must be another way. Valerie takes the duct tape and sticks an end of it to the door handle, and the other side of it goes to Val's leg. All you need to do now is wait until somebody opens that door and… These legs are smooth again. What is going on here? My new waxing technique. You should try it yourself, Amy. Sounds great. I'm in. Amy looks so excited about this waxing miracle to happen. But something must always go wrong. Ouch! It's supposed to be swift as the wind. But it's a painful torture instead. Chris, you're not in time.
Uh-oh.
Amy has lost her temper. Watch out! Val, you better run before she finds something else to throw! Good morning, Sleeping Beauty. Time to start your day.
Oh, man!
Yep, morning exercises can perk you up much better than a cup of coffee. Or they can put you back to sleep. Alex is not that lazy, and he gets awesome results of his efforts. Hey, Amy, just look at him. Time to show what you can do, girl. Huh? He's not impressed. And how about this? Not bad. Whoa! Amy is unstoppable! Hey, this could work another way. Alex, is everybody excited about what is going on here? Now you see, a handsome guy can become a real motivation for keeping in shape. Good job, Amy. Today, Amy is likely to clean up all the dirt. And that wouldn't bother Val until… Hey, what's wrong with you? Seems like Amy doesn't mind making Valerie sneeze. Oh, here she found another dust storage. Careful, Val. This cleaning is going to be a test for your lungs and nerves. And it's not over yet. Amy is done with that dust on the surfaces. But look at that! You definitely need to do something about it. Yeah, that would help. At last, Val has come up with something. You need to grab a bra, take off one strap. Now cut out a cup. Attach a strap on one side of the bra. And the other strap goes on the other side of it. From now on, it doesn't matter how hard Amy would try. Valerie wouldn't breathe in a speck of that dust. Sorry, Amy. You have pitched the idea yourself. Let's talk about healthy habits, guys. Did your mommy teach you to wash your hands before eating? Chris is here to have that finger-licking hamburger, but he doesn't care about washing his hands. Don't you see, Chris? You're giving your mom a heart attack. Well, she knows how to make you change your mind. She takes a dish and a bar of soap. Now she covers the soap with some whipped cream as if it was a cake. Some sprinkles will make it look more appetizing. And a mint candy on top of it. Let it be a surprise. There you are, sweetheart. Mommy's got a cake for you, but you gotta wash your hands first. You sure you don't feel like doing it? Then wash your mouth, boy. Don't forget about some soda. Because you would need that foam to help your mommy do the dishes. That's a good boy. Another peaceful morning. Come on, wake up. Going to the gym is much more important than staying in your bed. And you better wake up, because Kate got that glue out of her backpack. Now she cuts off a piece of her friend's hair. She applies that glue onto her armpits. It makes these poor armpits so hairy. Oh yes, this is an evil plan. Come on, wake up. We're going to be late. Oh no, I'm on my way. Taking weights is just perfect to have that guy pay attention to you. Let's show him what you've got, girls. Hands up! Whoa! This is definitely not what you expected to see, right? Bam! That was a knockout. I'm afraid she'll spend the night scraping those hairs out of her armpits. This is it. Hope you had a great time with us. Take care of your bodies, eat healthy food, and don't forget to watch our videos. Because you know that laughter is the best medicine. Subscribe to our channel and get it for free without any prescription. Thursdays and Sundays. Thanks for watching. Bye!